TradingView versus Dash Trader, which one is better? Today we are going to demonstrate the difference between TradingView and Dash Trader, which one is better. So for that, I have this small table which will demonstrate the difference for us. So the first thing we will talk about is charting tool. TradingView has extensive and diverse charting tool, while Dash Trading has comprehensive. If we talk about the user interface, the TradingView have initiative and modern interface, while if we talk about the Dash Trader, it has functional but dated. If we talk about customization, TradingView is highly customizable while DAS has limited customizations. Social features of TradingView have a strong community aspect while DAS Trader has some minimal social features. If you talk about the price, the TradingView is free basic version, but you can do the paid upgrades. If you talk about the DAS, you have to buy the subscription. If you talk about the market coverage, TradingView gives you stocks, forex, cryptocurrency, futures, and indices, etc. While if you talk about DAS, gives you primary stocks and options. If you talk about execution speed, TradingView has no direct trading, focuses on analyzing. While if we talk about DAS, it is designed for direct trading with fast execution. If we talk about learning curve, TradingView is easy to get started, while DAS Trader has steeper learning curve. If we talk about the mobile app, it is available and user-friendly for TradingView. And if you talk about the DAS, it has an app but has limited functionality. If we talk about the customer service, the TradingView has some limited amount of customer service, while if we talk about the DAS have responsive customer service. Now these were the difference. Now you have to identify which one will suit you. So that's pretty much it. That's what you guys can do. Hope you guys find this video helpful.